yesterday at JNU. You've been in student
Yeah.
movement. So what exactly? Because in Goa yesterday was a very small student.
Yeah.
There was hardly any movement.
It is a token protest.
Yeah, but like are you all the Congress and
Yeah, we also have
are you all
condemned
going
it.
to make this an issue because this is I found it
Yeah,
quite
yeah.
ridiculous.
See, the point is, there is a systematic plan to divert attention from the state's burning issues. See,
National burning issues.
no, the state's burning issues are being swept under the carpet by bringing issues from the center, including CAA. CAA, each leader of the BJP who addressed says that Portuguese national, OCI people are not affected by CAA. The Goan Muslims are not affected by CAA. Then anyone Pursam ki jagah? Pursam ki jagah? Because your economy is failing, because you have cheated on Madai, because you have not been able to start mining. These are all issues which are being swept under the carpet. Like sunburn, you are endorsing, you are saying the show must go on and 3 people are dying. So it's becoming, narcotics is becoming a cottage industry for them. So all these issues will be addressed in the assembly. As far as what has happened in Delhi is concerned, these are clear signs of a fascism entering the country, and it is not good for anyone. It is not good for us, it is not good for Goa at all. Goa is the place where everybody has been living in harmony, and I think it is something which all unitedly have to detest. But we should not give them a chance to polarize.
In the history of India, hundreds of bills have been passed by the parliament. You show me one instance where a bill has been passed in the parliament and government gets its workers, cadres on the road in support of the bill. I can understand opposition coming together to oppose a particular bill or a legislation. But government coming out with the help of its cadre to in support of the bill, it has never happened in India.
It's called a party with a difference.
But what I'm saying is now you are waiting for the assembly, or are you all going to come out with any agitation against this?
We will meet you regularly man, to keep you in touch.
Is a more civilized way of discussion and things like that before going on the road.